everyone, I'm Sava and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making banana chocolate chip muffins. But before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe and to ring that little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so these muffins are so good, they're so delicious, and they're really healthy. Each one is only going to be 100 calories. Okay, so all you're going to need for this recipe is 2 ripe bananas, so that's why they're a little brown, some peanut butter, some honey, some baking powder, some vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and some dark chocolate chips. So I have mini chocolate chips, so I'm going to put in a little bit more, but this recipe, if you really want to get technical with it and get really anal, the nutrition facts are for 1 muffin and 4 chocolate chips. So because mine are mini, I'm going to double them, so there's going to be 8, and it's just going to look nicer. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees because, like I said in my other videos, the last thing you want to do is forget to preheat your oven and you're all done, ready to go, and then you're like, oh no, and now you have to wait 5 hours to put your stuff in the oven because it takes that long to preheat. So this recipe says to put everything in a blender aside from the chocolate chips, but I'm going to be a normal person and just put it in a bowl so I don't have to clean a whole blender and blades and everything. So I'm going to put everything aside from the chocolate chips into a bowl and mix it up with my little hand mixer, and we'll get ready to go. So another reason that I want to use a hand mixer instead of a blender is because I like having little bits and pieces and chunks of banana in my recipes rather than everything just being blended together. If you want it to be more blended, you can just blend it longer with the hand mixer or put it in the blender. It doesn't really matter. Now, I will link somewhere on the screen in the description box my strawberry banana smoothie video so you guys can see some nutrition facts that I have in bananas. I'll also link in the description box or on the screen my peanut butter energy bites video, and you can see some more nutrition facts on peanut butter as well. And for my favorite little mini spatulas, TJ Maxx shout out always. Now I'm just going to add in my honey. I will tell you guys some nutrition facts on dark chocolate though, because dark chocolate actually is really good for you. So quality dark chocolate is rich in fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, manganese, and a few other minerals. Cocoa and dark chocolate have a wide variety of powerful antioxidants. In fact, they actually have way more than most other foods. There are also bioactive compounds that are found in cocoa that may improve your blood flow in your arteries and cause small but statistically significant decreases in your blood pressure. Dark chocolate also increases your HDL and improves insulin sensitivity, so it's actually pretty good for you. Now we have our eggs. Okay, now remember, we're not adding the chocolate chips just yet. Okay, now we're just going to blend this until it's smooth and get ready to put it in our muffin tins. And we're done. So much easier than putting this in the blender. All I gotta do is clean out the bowl and these little whisks. So like I said, I like mine to be a little chunky, but you can do yours as smooth or as chunky as you'd like. Okay, so I like to try and make my muffins, my cookies, whatever it is, as even as I possibly can. So I'm gonna take one of these. It's not an ice cream scooper. It's like one of those melon scooper things. I don't know. And I'm just gonna start measuring these out and putting them in the muffin tins. This is just going to ensure that they're all the same size and they're all cooking nice and evenly. Now you can line these with muffin tins, you can spray them with Pam, you can put butter, it's whatever you want. Okay, so now we're going to put in our chocolate chips. Alright, so we're going to sprinkle our chocolate chips. So So now I'm just going to do the same thing with my next pan, and then we'll be good to go. Now, by all means, you don't have to count your chocolate chips, but just for the purpose of this video and to keep everything in sync, I did. But you can easily just put in as many chocolate chips as you want. Just don't do anything crazy. You can mix them in the whole batter if that's easier for you. Okay, so now we're just going to put these on in the oven at 400 degrees and bake for 8 minutes, and then we'll take them out and get ready to try some. Okay, you guys, so the muffins are done. I just let them cool on a baking rack, but I'm gonna have one now. It's still warm just because, of course, you're gonna wanna have the chocolate chips be nice and soft. So let's give it a taste. Oh my God. These are so good. They're so moist and soft on the inside. And the chocolate chips are nice and soft and melted just a little bit. I actually kind of prefer having the mini chocolate chips because there's just more of them. You guys, this is the perfect little bite, little muffin. It's so good. There's a perfect ratio between the chocolate and the banana. It's so delicious. And like I said, these are only 100 calories. Like, can you really beat that? Well, that's all I have for this video, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. Definitely would recommend this recipe. Make sure you try it and let me know your feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss another one of my videos. If you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes just like this one, make sure to check out the link in the description box and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!